Keto frozen meals. I'm heading to Giant to go do a whole bunch of keto frozen meals and low carb freezer meals. Go check out the description link below, and a special thank you to Giant for sponsoring today's videos. I've got a ton of freezer meals that we're going to talk about. This first one, we just had this for dinner last night. It was amazing to put on the grill. I highly recommend if you're looking for a side. And these chunky avocados, you can put them in keto smoothies or low carb smoothies, or even blend them into like enchiladas or low carb keto tacos. This next one is a great side. We actually made shepherd's pie out of this. It was so delicious and so simple. And look at the low carb count on it. I highly recommend, because then it's already mixed together for the cauliflower mashed potatoes. Okay, here's another great one. It's only 4 net carbs for the serving size with that delicious cheddar broccoli bake. It looks amazing. And we use these for lunches, sometimes for dinners too. The Jimmy Dean sandwiches, they're only 7 net carbs per sandwich. They taste amazing. Real Good is another option too if you want keto breakfasts. We use them, like I said, for keto lunches. They've got the bacon, egg, and cheddar, or the sausage kind, or the Jimmy Dean kind, depending on what you're looking for. Now, I like these side ones. They're ranch. It's ranch side of cauliflower. Another fun one if you want to do like a frozen hamburger and then use this as your frozen side. It makes for dinner prep really simple because it's already seasoned for you. Another option that is the Giant brand, the generic brand of their mashed cauliflower, which tastes amazing, by the way, and a little bit less of the price for it too. I highly recommend. I like that one quite a bit. Here's a keto berry blend. They've blended together for you all of the berries. That one's actually 33% off, so it's a good buy today. You'll notice it's 8 net carbs for 3/4 of a cup, but it's a great low carb breakfast smoothie one. Now, these obviously are not low carb, but they were inspiration of I could make those at home. I flagged it for myself to remind myself to make it at home. Here's cauliflower crust. Friendly reminder, just because it says cauliflower does not mean it's low carb. That one, while it looks amazing, I'm not going to get that one because it's not keto. Same thing with these, the pesto bowls. It's 68 net carbs, or 68 carbs for it. Absolutely delicious, but just a good thing that there's some other choices that they do have. I love that Brands has a couple of other frozen meals that are really good though. Ironically, there was pepperonis in there that I can make my pepperoni chips. Another freezer meal to get for keto breakfasts is the keto toaster waffles, only 6 net carbs. They have lots of good flavorings. Those are great for my kid if he wants to have a quick keto breakfast. Like I said, sometimes we do it for lunch. There's some keto ice creams in there. There's Rebel ice creams, are a good low carb ice cream if you're looking for an occasional keto sweet treat. There is the keto cauliflower pizza, another great frozen item. I did a whole review on keto frozen pizzas in a separate video, which you can check in the playlist, but these frittatas are another easy frozen meal. Again, they're only 7 net carbs for 2 of the frittatas in there. Really simple. You could do meal prep and make your own, or you could get the Jimmy Dean's one. That one's a great one. I wanted to check these out to see, so it's 13 net carbs for the egg white Florentine for the egg bites. So I'm actually going to pass on those, but I thought it was interesting concept of, gosh, maybe I can make some of those at home for my own freezer meals. We do have cilantro lime rice. It's like Chipotle in a bowl here, honey, in the frozen food aisle. And there's cheese balls, which would not be keto, but they caught my eye. A special thank you again to Giant for our video today. Make sure you check out the description link down below and our other keto freezer meal and keto meal items. Make it a powerful day, friends.